Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add favorite bar in Microsoft Edge. How to add favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. So first thing you do is from here you click around this region here. If you click here you will see the option for favorite bar. So you have to click around this region. If you click here now you can see the option for show favorites bar. So you leave it on always, or you can choose new only on new tab. So this is the way to do it. Or you can press the key using the keyboard shortcut. You can press down Ctrl Shift and B. Now if you change your mind, you want to hide it, just simply click on this hide favorite bar and it's gone. If you want it back, remember choose any of the options from this region here, right click, and you can now see show favorite bar into bar. This is the favorites here. Click on it and then you get to see your favorites. This is it. So you can see favorite bar. So it is as simple as that. That is how to add favorite bar in Microsoft Edge. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.